guys, okay, so I'm doing a tutorial for you guys today, and it looks like this. So we have like a tealy blue color, then goes to gold, to dark brown, and then we got, whoa, sorry, we got purples all up here, and then goes down to browns. So, since I haven't looked at it, so you guys enjoy, and let's get right into the tutorial. So, for the inside part, oh yeah, so I already did this video and my computer turned off on me. I have no idea what happened, but it turned off on me, so I got this part done. So we're using the Cosmos Lens 88 shimmer palette because we want this to be all shimmery and glittery and pretty. So the color that we use for the tulip part is we use the brush like this, and we took this color right here. One side the pink, and right side green. Because it really needs to leave some color. Oh, it's kind of faded. I have it. It's been on. It's actually been on for a while, actually. Because I've been wearing this one eye done for like a few hours now, like 2 hours. Yeah. It's been on the phone for a while since it's died. Now we're gonna go into the purples. So right here, what's like that? Oops, excuse me. I don't know. So now we're gonna go into the purples. So we're gonna take this light purple right here. And we're going to put this right up with it. Oh, and I already put primer on my eyelids. I use Urban Decay Primer Potion. I put one here, 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 and here. And I put it all in just to give it a really good coverage to make sure that these colors will not crease throughout the night. How about you choose to do this? So you want to pat this color on and just like patting it, like swiping it. Just patting it. Now we're going to take a darker purple. We're going to take this purple, we're going to red, the orange, and you're going to put it right here. We really go up pretty high with the purple, and my computer's dying. I really need a computer. This one is just really screwed up. And then it washes out the color. I'll plug after on the purple. You just bring it up. We have it like this. Now, okay, just have remaining. See, it's 5% battery remaining. I'm so sorry, guys. This is charged. I hate this computer. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a dark purple. So we're going to make sure our brush is clean. I'm going to take this dark purple right here. Third one down. Just like pile on a little cloth or something just to get a lot of the excess off. Here's some gold. Put it right here. See how it like smooths down? That's interesting. I'm gonna blend all that together with a fluffy brush. I'm gonna put the dark purple that we used so far. I'm gonna put all of that and just blend the purple and the brown together. Now our flat brush, we're gonna take a dark purple. Dark purple right here. I'm gonna put it on our lid. Really, I'm gonna blend again. Make sure your blending brush is clean. And blend those up. Let's squeeze up. Okay, so now I'm gonna do make sure your flat brush is clean again. We're gonna take this really nice gold color right here. Yeah, I'm missing some colors right there. I'm gonna put this right beside the teal. You really want to pack this color on. So I did with this, you just leave it as it is, but I feel that I want a little bit more gold to it. So I'm taking matte, matte over lights. Let's what the brushes do. Maybe I just took a chunk out of my eyeshadow. No. No. So it's fine. Well, my Umber Lights is really, really pretty gold color. Putting it on my brush. And then I am just putting it right on top of that gold just to give it, make it look even more goldy. So beautiful color. And just bringing it right out there. Let's see it up on the side. Then, I'm going to take the dark brown again. And I'm going to just, I just add a little bit more brown. And I'm going to just blend it. Now I'm taking a little fluffy brush like this, really fluffy. We're going to use this as for our highlight brush. I'm going to take this color right here. The pinky color. It's very shimmery, it's really sheer. Look at it right here. Look at some right here. Make sure you dap your brush on your cloth or whatever you have with you just to get some of the color off of it. Okay, so that's all you need for this palette. You're going to get a black eyeliner. Any black eyeliner, any black eyeliner that you have will work. And we'll do your waterline. I'm just going to go in here too. And you're gonna get a mascara. Any mascara that you have. I'm using the NYX Doll Eye Mascara. And it just looks like that. Yeah, you want to curl your lashes, but I just forgot. And for a blush, I'm just gonna go a little bit light so it's the CoverGirl blush in I Am Radio. There's no name on it. There's the brush. It's really, really light and sheer. And he's gonna take a blush brush. Push it back and forth. No. Smile to divine your apple. And now for the lips. So since we're so crazy with the eyes, I want to go really light on the lips. So what I'm taking is MAC Snob, which is a satin. Which is a satin. You like it, make sure you get really into the corners. And now look now I'm really this makes you really washed out. I really don't like that. I really don't like this look. Like I look freaky. So we're gonna take MAC lip gloss and Deliciously Stylish, which came from the Ben Swims collection. I can't even look at myself talking. We're going to apply this. It's a little bit really new for me. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my pink lemonade. What I'm gonna do with this is I'm gonna put it right on the edges. Like that. Put it with your finger. Look how much it changes. It gives you a really nice dimension to your lips. It's a really good trick. Yeah. Oops. Lip gloss over this. And this is the look. So the trick with the lip glosses really gives you really unique, like really good dimension to your lips. And it's really pretty. I really like it. So hope you guys enjoy. So let's just plug this. So you guys are look at it. Well, this one looks like. So it's gonna make it a little darker because the color's a little bit better like this. So yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed, and this was really fun to do. And subscribe, comment, and subscribe. Oh, subscribe, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, comment, and you guys want to do video response? If you try not to do this look, try and do this look. I would love to see them, or any video responses. I'd love to watch them. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful night. I really like these so much fun on it. I really like them. This slide. Yeah, just right now. Okay, so bye guys. Hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful night. Bye.